Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Go to Settings, System, Backup and Restore. Insert the external storage device that contains the backup into one of the PS4 trademark USB ports. Select Restore PS4. Select the backup file you'd like to restore.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A full initialization wipes all of the data securely and prevents anyone else from recovering the data. This process can take several hours though. It's best to choose the full initialization. Once you choose one, select Initialize to confirm the action.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is important to factory reset or format your PS4 before you sell it. This will ensure all your data like your PlayStation account, linked social accounts, games, etc. will be deleted. After the process, the PS4 will boot up like a brand new console. The process is similar to factory resetting your smartphone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.